Okay, family, so I had brought this from Dollar Tree. I want to say probably about 2 months ago. Okay. Um, honey, I was up there cleaning my ceiling fan, and this is like all it does. You would think I never cleaned the ceiling fan, but I promise you I did. Okay. Um, Also, I was using some dryer sheets. Okay, so first I think it's best to go in with this thing, and then like go in with the dryer sheet, so you could pretty much get like the large chunks of dust and stuff like this. Now, am I new to this? Okay, I know I'm true to this. Okay, but am I new to this? Okay, has Dollar Tree always sold Mystics? Honey, I don't remember. Okay, all right. Now, I remember when I was a kid. Let me know in the comment section if you guys did this. Okay, when I was a kid, probably about, I want to say about 7 years old. No, I want to say younger than 7, but there was a bodega. Okay, honey, corner store. Okay. And they would sell pig feet, like in a vinegar jar. Oh my goodness, child. As a kid, I absolutely loved it. And then they also would sell Mystic drinks, okay, in a glass bottle. Who remember that? Child. Okay, honey. And I don't know if it was $1. I think it was $1, the Mystic drinks. But they wasn't like this. They looked like sparkling water, the Mystic drinks. You get what I'm saying? Honey, if you remember that, I want you to go on and put a 2 in the comment section. And honey, if you used to eat that pig feet, that vinegary pig feet, okay, and that vinegary pickle, don't act like you forgot. Don't act like you forgot where you came from, okay? Honey, let's move on, shall we? Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, honey, child. We are in Dollar Tree, okay, of course, child, in Union City on 29th Street. Let's see what they had for you and me. Okay. All right, so first up, I had showed you guys this in my previous video, okay, the roasted and salted whole cashews, which are $5. They also have the berry chocolate trail mix, okay, papaya, cherries, candy coated gems, okay, and this is $5. God darn it. And then they also have the honey roasted cashews. This is $5. And then they also have the fruit and nut trail mix. Honey, when I first seen that they had this, I was so excited, okay. In fact, I purchased this. It has a lot of fruit in here, to say the least, okay? So if you're a person, you absolutely love fruits more than you like the nuts and stuff, okay, honey, this would be for you. They also have the roasted and salted mixed nuts with 50% peanuts, and that is $5 as well. Honey, when I tell you still deal like Holyfield. Now, one of the things I am going to say with the roasted and salted whole cashews, now, it was some that was in here that looked at a little burnt, okay? All right? A few of them. But to me, it's a still deal. $5, okay? It's not bad. Great for snacking. I remember my grandmother when I was younger, my uncle, he would come from his home, okay? And he would bring my grandmother, like mixed nuts and stuff like that. And honey, when I tell you I would have a ball with the mixed nuts, absolutely love it. It brings back so many memories. Really good. Okay, so I had showed you guys this comb. Honey, when I tell you this volumizing comb is good for all hair types, child, it had my afro litty lit, okay? Honey, this comb, you could comb out your hair so easily. Absolutely love it. And I guess because the big tooth, okay, really good, $1.25. I also talked to you guys about the growth oil thickening formula. This is $1.25. Absolutely love this, okay. Really, really good. I would get this, but honey, it's a line in the front, and I ain't standing on no line just for that oil. Now, it is good, but honey, I ain't getting on that line for that oil. honey, let me tell you something, okay? You see these sponges? Now, this is a steal deal, okay? 6-pack sponges, hand shaped, protects nails, multi-purpose, doable, okay? You know what? I'm gonna get a pack of these, and then I am gonna get the hair stuff for $1.25. Okay, and then I'm gonna also go in and get these, the Hawaiian Breeze. These are $3.25. And these are good. I know when I first purchased these, I was like, you know what? I don't know about these. They good. Okay, you gotta give it some time. You know, I had to give it some time. All right, moving quick. Let's get a pack of these. All right, so I'm gonna get some Suavitel dryer sheets. Now, I have to do laundry tomorrow, but these dryer sheets, okay, I had seen a guy, okay, who was cleaning his apartment. Honey, that apartment looks spick and span, okay? Or maybe it's he owned the house, I don't know. But he took the dryer sheets and he had used this to wipe down, like, to dust his headboard, his bed, okay, down with this, the headboard part. And then he also used this for the ceiling fans. So I'm definitely going to get this, all right?
Peace, good looking. Okay, so one of the things that I learned from dusting my ceiling fans is this, okay? First, to go in with like a Swiffer or something like a duster, and then do the dryer sheets technique. So, I've had seen about 2 fellers on social media who apartments look. You ever seen somebody's apartment and you're like, oh my goodness, it looked like it smelled good in there. Okay, all right. Well, honey, that's how I felt. All right, it looked like they apartment smelled good because the way they was cleaning their home, honey, it was really good. And this is pretty much where I got the technique from. So the guy said, clean the ceiling fans with your fabric softener wipes. First, I would, really do the duster, like I said, because with the fabric softener wipes, the duster was coming off, but with the duster, it was much better and it was coming off quicker. Okay. Now, I cleaned the ceiling fans with the fabric softener wipes. In March, I am going to take these ceiling fan blades down and I'm just going to pretty much wash them thoroughly, like in the sink. That way, that I make sure that I get all the dust off. Now, I think I got most of the dust off using this technique. But I think in March, I think it would be best me doing that. Now that you see, child, don't come for me, okay? I was a little short trying to get the dust and stuff off of this blade. And honey, this blade, it was acting stubborn, to say the least. Another technique that I had also seen from these 2 guys was, and they separate, okay? They not like together or anything. It was 2 guys. One guy, he was married, and the way he was like cleaning their home, it was so good. Really good. But anyway, so another technique that I had got from them was take your dryer sheets and put some essential oils on your dryer sheet and put the dryer sheets on top of the ceiling fan, like the blades. Now, I was like, yeah, but if I do that and I happen to turn on that ceiling fan, those dryer sheets are going to be flying everywhere. Hey, Amani, those dryer sheets are going to be flying everywhere. So what I said I do, I go to Dollar Tree and get Command, those sticky Command strips. I said I get some of those, and then I just place the dryer sheets on top. When I tell you that this technique works and it has your apartment smelling so good, So good, honey. This is a really, really good technique. And also you can put some essential oils on the dryer sheets and then put it in your trash can and then put, your garbage bag and stuff in there like that. So never say I ain't put you on nothing, dog face. See you on the next slide.
Honey, I done gave my daughter this packet, told her to hold it. You see, she put it down. Okay, so Amani, she needs to get a nightlight. All right, which nightlight you getting? No, you want to get Frozen, the LED nightlight? Or what about the unicorn? Which one? All right, well, pick which one you like. No, Amani, not a flashlight. What is that? Oh, it's leaking? It probably broke. All right, we got to get another one. Don't that smell good, though?
Yeah, but one pen is leaking.
All right, just put it down, Amani. All right, pick out your nightlight. Or you want to check the other Dollar Tree night lights?
Dollar Tree nightlight.
Okay, all right, but I got to get that packet again. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get this. When I tell you this is good, this is really good. All right, honey, so we had to pick up another thing of these. Did you guys see these infinity cubes? These look so cute, okay? Really nice. They come in 3 different colors. The green, you guys know green is my thing, like a dream team, okay? And they also have the red and also the yellow.
Yeah, I see. That's it. ¿Trabajo mañana?
All right, Mama, come on.